Things you don't know about Filmora 11. Yes, so let's get started. Okay, first thing, of course, download Filmora 11 from the link in description to try all these things I'm going to tell. So in Filmora 11, you can customize export settings. For that, just click on this export button once your project is completed and then click on the settings, and then you can change quality, resolution, frame rate, bitrate, encoder, etc. You can also select various video formats here and device type in case. Also here, you can directly upload your video to YouTube or Vimeo, and for that, you need to sign in to your YouTube or Vimeo account. And also using this DVD option, you can upload the same file in DVD. You can change the project settings of project you're currently working on by going here. Click on the project settings and you're there. Just do what you want from these controls. Third one is that you can save your project with media files and all in Wondershare drive. Just click on this cloud upload option once you open Filmora 11. However, for this you need a cloud membership which you can get with the premium license of Filmora. And if you want to get that, just click on the link in description. We have RGB curves in new version of Filmora 11. Yes, now we can do advanced color correction in Filmora itself. I have made a dedicated video on this topic. If you wish, you can watch through here or link in description. Also, in new version of 11.6, text-to-speech transcription now supports SRT files too. You can remove wind and hum sound from your audio. To do this, drag your audio file in timeline, double-click it and check these boxes. Adjust the removal strength and done. You can use the quick split tool here and it works just like a razor tool in Premiere Pro. Okay, now let's head on the bonus tip for today. So the bonus tip for today is that in version 11.6 of Filmora, we will get to import project files from cloud services like Google Drive, Dropbox and OneDrive. So I think you found this video helpful and interesting. If so, do hit the like button, share and subscribe. And I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye.